this lecture, I want to talk about header tag. I resize my web browser. Okay. In body tag, I create a first header tag h1 and close h1. This is first header tag. Save and refresh. You see it's big and bold. I want to create another header tag that is h2. This tag is smaller than h1. Save. There you go. h2 tag is smaller than h1 tag. Create another one, h3. This tag is smaller than h2. Refresh, smaller than h2. h3 is smaller than h2. h4. This tag is smaller than h3. Close it, save. There you go. h4 is smaller than h3. h5. This tag is smaller than h4. h5 is smaller than h4. h6. This tag is smaller than h5. Save. There you go. Smaller, smaller, smaller. And h6 is smaller than h5. h7. This is not header tag. Save. We have just h1 to h6 headers tag. We have not h7. That is not header tag, and the font is not similar others, and we have not h7 tag. Okay, then we have h1 to h6 tags. I delete all of them. I want type text. There is some text. Say refresh. Okay. Now I want to type another text beneath the first text, my first text. some text is here too. Save and refresh. But you see that is not line break. For do it, we should use paragraph tag and use p tag. For example, use p and close p tag, and use p, close p tag, save, refresh. There you go. Fantastic. Now I want line break this text is here too. I want line break it. Use br tag and save. Refresh. Fantastic. Some text is here too. Line break this part. Okay, we learned about paragraph and line break. So I want to talk about div tag. The div tag is nothing more than a container until that encapsulates other page elements and divides the HTML document into sections. I delete this one, refresh. Okay, I create a div tag and create a h1 tag. This is my first div, and create a paragraph. This divides the HTML document into sections. Okay, save, refresh. My h1 and paragraph. Now I want to create another div tag, and this is my second divs. Save. This is my second divs. I want to set a style for this one with CSS. You will more about CSS in CSS section. Style, and change the color, background color to be red. Okay, save, refresh. There you go. Just second div change the background color, but the first div has no color. That you see, div divides the web page into the sections. The div element is very often used together with CSS to lay out a web page. I want to talk about span element. A span tag is used for grouping and applying styles to inline elements. And create a h1 tag. This heading is very important. Save, refresh. Okay, Now I want change the important color. Use span and close this tag here. Set a style, color with red. Save, refresh. There you go. I changed important color. There is a difference between the span tag and the div tag. The span tag is used with inline elements, whilst the div tag is used with block level content. So a span tag is used with inline elements, whilst the div tag used with block level content. Okay, I want to talk about text formatting. Delete all of them. Okay, I create a paragraph and this is bold text. For bolding the text, use B tag. Save, refresh. You see it's bold. The bold word is bold. We use B tag for bolding text, but it's generally use a strong tag. Use strong tag and close strong. Save, refresh. Nothing happened. It is the same, but it's generally, and I recommend to choose a strong tag. Now I want italic text. Create a paragraph. This is italic text. Use I tag, save, italic text. I recommend you to use EM for italic text. Save, refresh. Nothing happened, but I recommend you to choose italic. EM for italic text. Okay, another paragraph. This text is underlined. And use U tag. Save and underline the text. But I recommend you to use ins tag. Save and nothing happened, and I recommend you to use ins tag for underlining. Create another paragraph. This is superscript text. Superscript means stay higher than other. I use sup and close this tag. Save, refresh. This word higher than other words. Use sup or sup tag. Okay, another paragraph. This is subscript text. Subscript means lower than, stay in lower than others. Use sub tag. Save, refresh. This word is lower than other. Okay, another paragraph. This word is deleted. For deleting, use del tag. Save, refresh. There you go. And line through the word for deleting. For adding section and horizontal line, we have used hr tag. For example, I use hr tag here. Save and add horizontal line here. hr here. Fantastic. For more information about text formatting, go to the W3 School. And smaller, mark, ints, subscript, superscript, etc. Okay,